is up, guys? How's everybody doing? It's your boy Luis from NewGen. Now today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a couple of life hacks that you guys probably did not know that you guys can use in your everyday lives to make your lives much easier, alright? And not even that, there are some life hacks you guys can use that you guys didn't know that can up your game, up your fashion, and honestly just make you look better, alright? So if you guys are interested, please be sure to stay tuned to this video. Now let's get straight into it. Alright, now the first life hack that I can tell all of you guys that might save all of you guys' time, may save all of you guys' lives, especially when it comes to your fashion, is choosing the right jeans. Alright, now I know a lot of guys struggle with this. I know a lot of guys are going through the whole store trying to look for the perfect jeans. Now just wait a second, I think I just found the solution. Alright, now all you have to do is go around grabbing some jeans, and you gotta grab whatever jeans you have. Alright, now what you gotta do is put the waist to your back and then just put it around your neck. Alright, now if it closes perfectly, that means it is the right jeans for you. Alright, now obviously these are the jeans that I use, so obviously they were gonna fit perfectly around my neck. But that just shows that if it fits perfectly around your neck, it should fit perfectly around your waist. Now just remember that the button does have to be closed. Don't be trying to measure your neck with it open, because that would give it a little bit more of a lengthy waist. So make sure it's closed, put it around your neck. If it fits perfectly, that means this should be the perfect jeans for you. Alright, now I know that just saved a whole bunch of time for all you guys, so please be sure to use this hack. Alright, now the second thing that I can let you guys know is the military tuck. Alright, now when you're trying to look formal, when you're trying to look fly, when you're just trying to look fresh, alright, we don't want any baggy muffin tops around our stomach area, around our waist. Alright, so what we have to do, when we have a long sleeve button shirt and we have that muffin top, all we have to do is grab whatever's extra around your waist, pull it to your sides, fold it around your waist, and that should be good enough. That should look to where, that should make the muffin top disappear. Now all you have to do is just make sure it's tucked in nice into your pants so it won't get loose. Alright, now that should give away the muffin top, and you guys should have a nice little sleek look, especially when you're trying to do this military tuck. Now guys, please be sure to follow this hack. Alright, this is going to make you look a ton better, so make sure you guys do it, alright? Now the third hack that I can tell you guys all right now, and I have mentioned this hack in my other videos, is that whenever you guys roll up your sleeves, make sure you guys do it the right way, alright? You guys don't want to be walking around always having your sleeves falling off. Alright, so what you guys can do is just, again, not roll them up, just pull your sleeves up and then roll them up maybe once or twice, and that should be good enough. And one, it's gonna look better. Two, it's also gonna keep your sleeves up instead of them always falling down whenever you're walking, especially if you're going to a dance. You don't want those things falling down. Alright, so make sure you guys roll your sleeves this exact way, because trust me, it's gonna help you guys greatly. Alright guys, now the fourth hack that I can tell you guys, which I personally use myself, maybe not every day, but it is a lifesaver whenever I have no time. But basically, when you have wrinkled clothing, when you have wrinkled shirts, all you have to do is maybe grab a spray, water that bad boy, and then just with the blow dry, just blow dry your shirt, and that should clear away all the wrinkles. Alright, again, this is a huge life hack that all of you guys should use, because I know we're in that situation, we're in a hurry, we don't know what to do, our shirts are very wrinkled, and something very quick we can do is do this hack right here that I'm showing you guys right now. Alright, now again, these are all hacks that all men should be using, guys. And if you guys didn't know about some of these life hacks, please be sure to hit that like button down below, and let's go straight into the last one. Alright, now the fifth one that quite surprised me, I actually did not know until I did further research after experimenting with my own shoes. You can actually use the banana wraps to really clear up all that dirt and to really just clean your shoes, as well as give that shine that most boots don't have anymore. Alright, now I might put an example right up here. So basically, using the banana peel to really just clean those boots and just smudge it all over the boots, and then using a paper towel to just clear off all the banana, leftovers. You can really tell the difference between one boot and another, because it just really gives it more of a shine, and it gives it more of a clean look. So I don't know if you guys can tell between these pictures. So please be sure to use this hack, guys. Again, go watch my other videos. I did clear up that you guys need to have clean shoes at all times, especially if you guys have boots, alright? So if you guys really want to up your style, if you guys really want to make your life a whole lot easier, follow these hacks that I did give you guys in today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If these hacks really did help you at all and really give you something something to just make your life easier, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys do want to see more of my videos, again, I post fashion, lifestyle, as well as fitness. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I am going to be trying to be posting daily, so if you guys do want to see more of that, please be sure to hit that notification bell. And that's about it, guys, for the video. Hope you guys did enjoy. This has been Luis. Deuces.